My neighbor across the way is probably like, she's filming herself in the shower, what the fuck? Alright, I don't know why I'm like flipping my hair and trying to be cute. I'm about to clean my shower. Also, I'm really sorry if it's echoey because I have to close the door and I'm in my bathroom, which is not very big. Stay with me. This whole series, Getting My Life Together, is about, well, getting my life together. I have depression and I'm really fucking tired of it, but I know that I'm gonna be living with it my whole life. And I have to learn how to just maintain my life. I have to, you know, I still need to function in the world. I usually have high functioning depression, but it's been very low functioning for the last year, I'd say. It was getting better at some points and then not, and I've been through therapy many times in my life, and I'll talk about that in other videos, but there's something clicking in my brain recently, and I don't know if it's because the weather is amazing, because I tend to feel a lot better in the summer. I live in Michigan and winter affects me greatly. So I don't know, like, I have some good ideas about what's going on in my brain. And again, I'll share those later. But this whole series is about showing other people who struggle to just maintain their daily existence that it's possible. Also, I want to give tips and show what I've done to, you know, just do simple things like clean my damn shower that I haven't cleaned in probably 6 months. I'm gonna show you some close-ups. It's pretty disgusting. Like, I'm gonna talk to you about the products I'm using, because if they work, great. If they don't buy them, don't use them. I want you to know if it worked for me, hopefully it works for you and your shower scum. And you know, that's what this is. We're just gonna, you know, this is the first one I'm making. So this is how it's going so far. My depression tends to ignore my messes, ignore the shower scum and mildew and hair that's like building up in the shower, because it still functions as a shower. It's disgusting, but I can still get clean within these walls, right? So why would I clean it? I have blinders on, tunnel vision, when I am in my lowest functioning state. I have grown intolerant of myself, and I'm really wanting to come out of this and be more functional and be a cleaner person and, you know, have a budget and whatever. So those will be other videos, you know, in the future. I have some ideas that I have not written down because I don't know why, you know, because of my depression. Well, I'll just keep blaming that, because that's really what it is. I just feel like I'm rambling now and putting it off, because like, this is, who wants to do this? This is disgusting. Like, I mean, you can see it even from here, and oh, look it, there's more, there's decluttering videos to come too. And don't even get me started on the kitchen sink, or the kitchen sink, the bathroom sink that's right over there. Yeah, let me put my hair up, and we're gonna get going on this back here. Yeah, okay. Woo, all right, got that up. Now also, you know what, before I even start this, well, this is actually starting it. I gotta get all the hair out of here. Please tell me if this is you also and not just me. As soon as my hair falls out of my head, it becomes disgusting. It's like all of a sudden this foreign object that is like, ew, don't touch me, get away from me, you're nasty. And I was watching This Might Get Weird with Grace Helbig and Mamrie Hart recently, and Mamrie talks about making tumbleweeds with her hair, like rolling it up. Mind blown. No, Mamrie, I never thought to do that. So I have a lot of just loose hair everywhere that ends up tumbling up into tumbleweeds on their own somehow. Okay, in order to make this easier, so that I don't have to use so much, like, you know, arm strength, muscles, whatever, I have this tool. Well, actually, I had a tool. It's like a giant electric toothbrush. Hang on. So for years, actually for like 10 years, I had this in my cabinet. It's called the Sonic Scrubber. And I never opened it. Why? Why wasn't I using this to clean stuff? Maybe I would have been cleaning, you know, at least like once a month. Okay, so I opened that the other day, 2 days ago, because I was gonna film this 2 days ago. And I opened it in order to clean the shower. The batteries are included. And instead of including the batteries like separately in plastic so that they don't corrode, they're in the damn thing, in the tool. So they corroded in there. Like, they didn't put those little plastic, you know, things in there to protect it. So one of the metal connectors that touches the battery, that's down inside of it, fell out. And I was like, you know what? I'm not dealing with this. I'm not trying to fix it. I just went on Amazon and I bought another one. But I also had this pack of 4 heads with this nice big one. So I didn't have to buy like new heads. And this one is much bigger than the one that came with it. The one that came with it is like, you know, a toothbrush basically. Well, like a cow toothbrush or something. But so clearly I want to get more surface area clean, you know, with this big thing. That's what we're going to be hearing the rest of this video. So now I'm gonna go take a toothbrush in my shower. And okay, I spend way too much money at Costco, and I'm on this like Costco product review thing on Facebook, and people are on there all the time talking about these amazing products and how they use them. Well, this Dawn like power wash, everybody loves it and everybody uses it for everything except for dishes. And some people were saying that they use it in their shower, and I'm like, all right, let's give it a shot. I actually sprayed it 2 days ago because I was planning on filming this and cleaning, you know, with the one that broke. So it kind of got to soak a little bit in some of these crevices. And with my feet, I scrubbed the bottom of the floor. So the bottom, like the bottom floor is, well, there's only one floor. The floor of the shower is a little bit cleaner already because it's soaked with this, and I like scrubbed it with my feet when I got in the shower. So it's kind of cool. You know, I should probably take the crap out of there. Also, I don't know if you can see it on this camera. Let me get my GoPro so I can get a close-up shot. I have like a ton of old soaps. Does anybody else do this? So I should, let me start by pulling all this stuff out of here. Do I really want to take this off of here? No. Old razor also. These are gross on the bottom. And you know what? I have a nice new like bath mat to put out here that I've been like waiting to use until I clean the shower. I can finally use it now. I'm not taking this off. You know what? It's enough doing the rest of this crap. Sometimes you have to cut corners, okay? That's another thing with depression. If you can cut corners and figure out how to do something easier just to get it done, to do it. Ooh. They all came off easily. That was nice. Put those in the garbage. And I'll go ahead and grab some tissue to get all the hair. All right, step one. Or I don't know what stuff that was. Spray. That's where all the soap was. Gross. Dawn power wash. Let me get you in here closer. Luckily this thing pushes up and stays, so I don't have to like kill my thumb pushing a button. So one bad thing about this is it just flings shit everywhere. I think the batteries in this are already dying, which really sucks. I hope that I don't have to like go get batteries in the middle of doing this. And if I do, whatever. I have other batteries here, so. I just touched my bun to the wall, gross. I think for the rest of it, I'm actually gonna have to like get in here and turn on the shower. This thing is turning out pretty cool. I like it. All right, I'm getting naked. Luckily I have a GoPro that's waterproof. But you're still not gonna see me naked. Sorry, and you're welcome. My neighbor across the way is probably like, she's filming herself in the shower, what the fuck? Cause like, yeah, they can see in here, but the window is at a point where like, they can only see to, well, a little bit lower than you can. Wanna see my shower cap on me? Shower cap fetish, anyone? Put that up a little bit more. This is gross, but like, you guys saw it before, and all this is like washing away from that crevice. Woo! I can't get that freaking corner over here. I'm having a hard time with that. That looks better, at least. Sometimes better is just what you're gonna get. All right. One thing I'm learning is that I need like a sponge still to kind of just like wipe down the surface after I use this scrubby thing. So hopefully there's one under this cabinet. Yay! Sponge from the last time I cleaned this 6 months ago. Wait, why am I using the sponge? This is gross. Alright, let's rinse that. Alright, now for what I consider probably the easiest part. The floor. Which still has some remainders. Remnants from rinsing down from the rest of the shower. Let's put that scrubby side down. Just like that, I'm done. But I will show you one thing that I started doing when we moved in here. Got a glass shower door. Never had one in my life, but I knew that squeegeeing it would keep it cleaner. So this is one habit that I started when we moved in here. Voila. Let's get Andrea off and see how we did. All right. Let me lotion up my face real quick. And then we can check out this progress. Also, I look like an onion. like, girls are so cute when they pull their hair up into a tight or into a bun on top of their head. And they just look like majestic with a couple little like strands coming down, and it's a nice pretty loose bun. Well, when I do it, I look like an onion. Sorry, I'm in that mood today, apparently. I mean, you know, I gotta be in this mood to clean, apparently. So, no. And that's the thing that we're trying to get out of, Andrea. We don't have to be in a particular mood to get shit done. Because if I hadn't been recording this would have only taken like 10 or 15 minutes. What the hell is 10 or 15 minutes out of a whole day? Like, that's a quarter of an hour. You have, let's see, 96 of those. You have 96 of those in a day. So like, just use one of them. I'm pretty happy with this. Oh, I didn't get the hair off the drain. Also, my cleaning stuff is still in there, but you can see what, you know. Actually, let me get the hair off the drain because it's pretty gross. Oh my God, this looks like, well, almost a new shower. I mean, look, it's not perfect. You know, I probably could have done more. All right, so that corner really sucked. It really sucked ass. Look, it's not like a perfect, you know, cleansing, but like it's white. The whole point of this is to actually like start doing this more regularly, because like I said earlier, I think I actually haven't done this for 6 months at least. How gross is that? It might have only been like 4 or 5, but like still. And now maybe it will be a month before I do it, but at least it won't be as disgusting as it was this time. And I will say, these sonic scrubber things, it was pretty awesome for not having to like scrub the really nasty crap. I did have to take the sponge and, you know, like finish the process, but for what I like really didn't want to touch, I used that and it got it up. Also, the Dawn Power Wash, I think that did a pretty damn good job of getting all the soap scum and mildew and everything off of the walls and crevices and everything, and it foams up, and I probably used too much of it. I don't know. But you know, whatever, it's clean. Now I'll probably spray it with like another cleaner like every week. I'll try to do that just to like keep soap scum from building up in there. If I can do this, anybody can do this. And I know so many people might watch this and be like, this is embarrassing. You think that this is like an achievement, cleaning your shower? But yeah, it is. Go easy on people who have a hard time with doing stuff like this. You know, you don't know what's up in their brain, and like they're capable of doing this. Sometimes it's really hard to do it. To, you know, feel like it's necessary. But that's turning around for me. At least right now. And you know, there's gonna be other times in my life where it's gonna be hard again. And I'm working on the tools to prepare myself for making that easier in the future. So, if you liked this, like it, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe, because I'm gonna be doing a whole series like this. It's inspiring to me to watch other people do daily chores, not even just daily, but any chore, making their bed, cleaning stuff, decluttering, and that's the type of stuff I'm gonna be doing. So subscribe and follow along with me. And if you made it this far or watched anything at all in this, thank you. Also, I'll link everything below that I used and my socials. So feel free to go follow me on Instagram. I'm pretty open about my life over there too. And I have a really cute dog. So his name is Jorah Borkmont. I hope you get the reference. If not, that's all right. You can learn. Thanks. I'll see you guys next time.